Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can pair SoundPeats T3 with any MacBook. So to do this, you have to remember to charge your earbuds at least to the 50%. Next, when you do this, just simply open this case. And right now we have to wait until the left one turns to the solid blue light and the right one starts blinking. As you can see there, we can find this process. So we have to keep that cover open and put it close to our MacBook. Right now we have to smoothly move to the system settings on the MacBook and select Bluetooth. Next, click on the switcher. And as you can see, we can find them on the nearby devices list. So click connect, and after a few seconds we will be successfully connected. If you have any connection issues, you can also find other videos on our YouTube channel with the SoundPeats T3, where I show you how to fix them. And there's last thing about the SoundPeats T3, I can recommend you to go for the sound settings and just check for the output device and the input, and be sure that they are selected as a main device for the microphone and the internal sound device. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.